Hello, my name is Jose Gonzalez, and I am a consultant in the area of office automation. My brief presentation today is in response to an automation challenge presented by one of my customers. The customer's Microsoft Outlook email inbox is out of control. Read messages remain in the inbox until manually deleted or moved. The customer wants help in cleaning up the read messages out of the inbox. Is there a way to automatically move read emails out of the inbox to another folder? The answer is yes. We can automate this task by using Outlook Quick Steps. Quick Steps are a feature available in Microsoft Outlook since the 2019 versions. You can find Quick Steps by looking in the Outlook tab under Home. You can see the Quick Steps as one of the sub-tabs, and here they are. Expanding this box, you can see that there's already a series of Quick Step items already predefined, but today we're going to create a new one. Quick Steps are also accessible by right-clicking on a message, and you will find it on the menus along the edge, and you'll see Quick Steps right here, and here are the same Quick Steps that are predefined and that we saw above in the Home tab. To help me in the demo, I've created two folders already inside my email address. So here's my account, and I have a tab, and I have a folder created, My Unread Mail. And this unread mail folder is going to simulate my inbox for my mails. And all the emails that you can see over here are marked as unread. And you can see that from the blue line on the left-hand side. These are unread messages. I have a folder where I want to move my messages after they have been read. So to start the task, I can either right-click on one of the message or go to the Quick Steps handle on top over here and create a new Quick Step. So I'm going to right-click on an email, and I'm going to go down the Quick Steps menu, and down here I'm going to click on a button that says Manage Quick Steps. And here I can select one of the predefined Quick Steps, but I'm going to create a brand new one from the beginning. So I'm going to create a custom Quick Step. I'm going to give it a name. Have a name. Now I'm going to choose an action. My first action is to mark the message as read. And I'm going to add one more action, which is to move to a folder, and I'm going to move my message to my read folder. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Finish. And okay, I'm done. So now I right-click on the email, select Quick Steps, and select the Quick Step that I just created, Move Mail, Move Read Mail. And now the message is gone from my simulated inbox, and I can go to my read mail, and I have that mail sitting right here. I can also do the following. I can go back to my unread mail, and I can select a couple of messages. And I can mark these also the same way by going to Quick Steps and move these two items. So now I've reduced my count to only three emails in my inbox. And when I go to my read mail, here they are, the ones that I just moved. So I'm going to improve a little bit my Quick Step by adding a couple of features. So I'm going to open up the Quick Steps a different way by selecting this button over here, and I'm going to select the feature that the one that I want. Here it is, and I'm going to edit it. The feature I'm going to add is a tooltip. The tooltip is going to be a little message that's going to pop up whenever I highlight the quick actions. I'm going to type some information. And I'm going to add a shortcut to easily invoke the quick step by using the keyboard. So in this case, I'm going to use Control-Shift-9, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to click on OK. Now, if I go over to my quick steps, I can look at my quick step over here, and you can see now that it has a message under it. A little text has shown up. This action will mark a message as read and then move it to another folder. If I right-click on an email and I select my quick steps, I can see here's my email again, here's my quick step again, move and read mail to another folder. And it also has in parentheses a reminder that there is a shortcut associated with it. So let me try to use my shortcut, and I'm going to press Control-Shift-9, and the message is gone. And now I only have 2 messages. In fact, I'm going to mark all of them and just press Control-Shift-9, and all of my messages are gone. And if I go into my red folder, all my original messages are here. So I hope you find this short video useful, and you enjoy it, and you find it practical. And I would love to hear from you. So just leave a comment on the section below. And thanks for hanging around and listening to my video, watching my video. Bye.